Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to a brand new episode of our podcast. So, in this episode, we're going to talk about something really fun. We are going to talk about some fantastic games which are available to play in your mobile. So, let's start this fun episode and see you after this intro. So, hey guys, welcome back to a fantastic episode, a new episode of our podcast. And in this episode, we thought rather than discussing a technical or a serious topic, let's do something fun for you guys. Let's talk about some fantastic games that you can play, mobile games that you can play, pass your time with. And all these games are based on two wheelers, or they are called two wheeler games. So, all these games are phenomenal, and these are some of our favorites that we have selected from a choice of thousands. Let us just go into all these games and tell you the features and everything about these games. So let's start the podcast with a game which has been monumental in in generating people's interest in motorcycling games, as we say. So this is by a creator called Soner Kara, who has been there since long. So this game in particular, which has become really popular now, is called Traffic Rider. It is a fantastic game. It is an arcade style game where it gives you a road where you are a third person, and you ride a vehicle which you select from a menu. It has kind of like a old arcade feel to it, where you have to go through the traffic. You have to make turns to avoid accident and ride your bike in endless highway roads, and win and upgrade new bikes as you go along. Basically an endless riding game where you have to pass missions. It kind of is like a mission based game where you keep on passing rounds, and it you keep on winning a lot of new vehicles to take up new challenges in further missions. So it is, the genre is called simple endless racing in an arcade mode or an arcade style, where each round wins you more points and opens up new upgraded vehicles to compete in further rounds. So it's kind of like a arcade racing game where there is endless racing, and it is a small game in comparison to lot others, where you can just download it and start playing. Because of this, the game has become really popular, and a lot of people, a lot of non bike riders or non motorcycle riders also play this game. This is one of the most popular games in Google Play Store, and you can check that out. If you have not heard of it and not played, I will highly recommend that you play it. It's a really fun game. The controls are like really easy, and you can go far if you play it really well. So do check this game out. It has got some fantastic features as well. It's got like a first person camera view. You have 29 motorbikes or scooters to choose from. Even though there is no branding in motorbikes, the sound is real. The sound you'll hear during the game is real, as it is recorded from real bikes. So it has got detailed environments with day and night variations. So you'll see some rounds in a day environment and some rounds at night time, and it is fantastic and a longish game with a career mode with the 70 plus missions. Also it has online challenges as well, and it has been given a 4.4 rating in Google Play Games. So it is a fantastic rating, and a lot of people have written reviews on this game, and a lot of people who are not into these racing, endless racing type of games, this game has made racing games. We recommend this game highly. So do check that out, and let's move on to another game which is there. Another series that we will recommend for all of you guys, if especially if you are motocross fans, is the Trail Extreme series. So Trail Extreme series, again, it's a very old series of games available in Play Store. Now I think it's the fourth variation which is available in the Play Store called Trail Extreme 4, and there is another offshoot of this game which is available. It's by a company called T Media Inc. It deals with dirt bike racing and events, so you can participate in dirt bike events and win a lot of prizes. So it's a skill based game where you have a realistic motocross PvP game experience, kind of like a PvP racing where you play from people around the world and win cash and amazing prizes. You can check out the tournaments that they have and play those tournaments and win a lot of prizes. It has got fantastic extreme levels and challenges. I think it has over 200 levels. It requires a lot of real world thinking and strategic thinking to clear those levels. We have played this game and we know that this game is not easy when you start, but once you start playing and when you get hang of all the controls, you can cross a lot of levels and win a lot of prizes in this game. It's a fantastic game with over 200 levels. It has got some extreme graphics. All the graphics that you see in this game are 3D. As you go along, you can upgrade yourself, your bike, your track performance, your bike appearance, and participate with the most hardcore players from all over the world. It's got a very cool swag mode as well, where you make sure that your rider has some insane new gear. Overall, it's a fantastic game with insane graphics, and I think right now they have two games available in the Google Play Store. Play those games and enjoy them, and tell us what you think about that game. So with this series, let's move on to another series. So it's called the Real Moto series. It's by a company called Dreamplay Games. It is one of the most realistic games in Google Play Store with console level graphics and realistic controls. It's a phenomenal series by Dreamplay Games, and I think we have two parts over here called Real Moto and Real Moto 2. It's based on racing tournaments which are there globally. It's got some phenomenal graphics, and the game has about 15 million downloads. So it's one of those popular games that a lot of people have downloaded and they played. So basically, they keep on improving this game, and I think they have a new update to this game right now where they have improved the already phenomenal physics engine, and they have made the riding experience more realistic. Once you start playing this game, you'll feel that you need a little bit of skill to be a good rider in this game. So it's got scooters, super sport bikes, every sort of two-wheeler is available to you. And as you win more races, more two-wheelers will get available, and you can buy and select from a lot of options available in the game. So it's got a lot of variety of control and handling features. You can select the control feature which best suits you, and you can manage the game according to that. So it has got a global contest also where you can participate and win prizes against a lot of riders from all across the world. It's got some fantastic features. So let me just list a few features for all of you. So it's got like real 3D graphics and various camera angles to look at your bike and the race. It supports a variety of controllers, so you can have an external controller as well to play this game. It's got intuitive controls to manage how you ride, which is a fantastic option to have if you want to compete with other players around the world. So it's got detailed and exquisitely reproduced super sport motorbikes. So you've got a variety of tracks from around the world where you can test your bikes, test your upgrades, and this is a fantastic feature before you start playing You can get used to the controls, and you can be a much more confident rider when you take on the official race and the MotoGP championship in the game. This is a very good mode which is given in the game to test your skill and your motorbikes. We have a few bike customization features where you can customize your bike and make it much more exciting, much more intuitive. And we highly recommend this series because it was the one of the most realistic series that we have ever come across in terms of championship racing. So do check it out if you're a fan of racing, if you're a fan of MotoGP. Play it and tell us in the comments how you loved this game. So go and check that out and tell us what you feel about the game. We highly recommend this game. Do check that out. Overall, it's probably the best racing game available in the Play Store. So after this game, let me just talk about another game which is available in the Play Store called MotoGP 20 by WePlay Media LLC. This is the official MotoGP game which is available on the Play Store. So WePlay Media has got the license to make the official MotoGP racing game where you can race with your friends and win real prizes. This has got the MotoGP 2020 season available. It is a motorcycle racing game that keeps you on track and focused on what it takes to win races. You've got amazing realistic controls. You need to be skilled in a lot of things such as timing and throttle to win races. It has some intense racing action like you see in MotoGP, and you can race as your favorite rider and join them on the podium of the Fan World Championship. You can customize your own bike and challenge your friends with the highest scores available in the race. This game looks incredible as it is one of the most beautiful games that we've seen. Along with that, when you combine those realistic graphics with intense racing experience, this kind of a chemistry wins a lot of brownie points, especially in the eyes of a lot of fans and us. It has a simple gameplay, and although the gameplay is a bit technical, but it is comparatively simple if you compare it with other race games, and which makes it more challenging and enjoyable. The game has this career mode where you can earn currency as you go along to upgrade your bike and make it competitive to play against other riders. If you want to join an official team and race as a favorite rider, you can save up that virtual currency and acquire that team. Go ahead and play as your favorite rider. Because it's an official game, it has got some authentic sponsors such as Alpinestars, Tissot, and Nolan. You can race, of course, as a favorite rider and enter this championship called Fan World Championship, where you can win amazing prizes, actual prizes like Tissot watches, Nolan helmets, and FWC trophy supplied by Brembo. So basically, it is an official game, and there are real world prizes available if you are able to improve yourself and compete with riders in Fan World Championship, and you can get fantastic prizes. I mean, winning a Tissot watch or a Nolan helmet is phenomenal. So this is the official version of the esports game series, official mobile version of the esports game series by MotoGP. So it has got a lot of real world graphics and tracks where whenever you compete in a track, your scorecard automatically gets updates which records your high score in each track and your best place finish which you achieve in each of the track. The scorecard is so realistic that it also updates your telemetry data. It gives you the timing, records your average speed to tell you where you need to improve when you race. The racing physics is actually modeled on Marc Marquez, as you all know. the current world champion, and because of the inputs of a MotoGP rider, the racing physics in the game is phenomenal. Of course, being the officially licensed game, it has got all the riders, bikes, teams, tracks, and sponsor. So everything which you look at when you play a game, every possible little detail, license detail is available in this game. It is a free to play game. You can go and check that out. It is available in both Apple and Google Store, and it has been given a rating of 4.3. So it is a fantastic rating, and of course, it's an official game for MotoGP, official esports game for MotoGP with official tournaments and real world prizes. So you go ahead, check this game out. So I highly recommend this game. Do check it out in Google or Apple Play Store. So the next game we're going to talk about is called SBK 16. SBK 16 is made by a company called Digital SRL. It is a official licensed game of the FIM Superbike World Championship. Like the last game, which was an official licensed game of the MotoGP Championship, this is the official mobile game of the Moto Superbike World Championship, but for the year 2016. Yes, it is called SBK 16. Unfortunately, there is no updated version of this game. Although it is old, it is still an entertaining game with fantastic graphics, as it is one of the best games available till today. You can experience the thrill of handling amazing bikes that are available in this game. Of course, all the manufacturers which are there in the World Superbike Championship, like Aprilia, Kawasaki, Honda, Ducati, MB Agusta, BMW, and Yamaha, are available in the game with real world graphics, real world tracks where you can ride these bikes on. You can compete against the reigning world champion Jonathan Rea and other riders in a test ride mode, which is available in the game. It has got real world graphics, licensed graphics, as it is a licensed game, although only for 2016. It has got some fantastic realistic 3D graphics with dynamic lighting effects. You have a lot more control. You have a lot of control options, which makes it a much more interesting game, as you can connect the game with motion controllers, virtual joysticks, and a mobile game pad. It has got a fantastic game physics. As you all know, all these licensed games try to maintain a gap between the original and actual physics of the game, and keeping it simple enough so that you can get the best of both worlds. You can get highly detailed game which has very good physics along with a simple gameplay, which allows everyone to play this game. So it has got a combination of both. We've played this game. We know that if you play it more often, you'll get better and you'll be able to compete in this game with other riders. You can go and check this game out. It has got some key features that I'm gonna just let you know. So it's got like 13 rounds of the 2016 season, set in 4 continents, where of course there are a lot of circuits available. It has got it has got the entire international roster of riders, the likes of Tom Sykes, Jonathan Rea, and Sylvain Guintoli available. It's got like 4 riding modes, including a championship where you can compete. It's got a quick race mode where you can test your ability against other riders. It's got a time attack mode and a test ride mode where you can test your bike if you're going out on a track race. So it's got amazing variety of options where you can test your skills on. It's got a new cockpit view in entirety, although it is an old game, and it has got a single season of the World Superbike Championship. We highly recommend this game because it's still one of the best racing games available. So this game has been rated 4, which I think is because it is an old game. It has the 2016 season. So we hope that they make a new version of it with a brand new season. And so play it, enjoy it, and tell us in the comments what you feel of the game. With this game, let us discuss one or two more. And one of the series that we're going to discuss is called a Gravity Rider series by Vivid Games. This is a fantastic game, which is a futuristic bike game. I think there are 2 or 3 games available in the Gravity series. So basically, what you need to do is it's called a bike balancing game, where you need to climb over obstacles, discovering clever mechanics, different type of trails to overcome each level. So you'll get weird things to block you. You need to make your way and through those obstacles and clear rounds. It is kind of like a next gen kind of a futuristic game where you don't need any sorts of modifications. You just need to compete and clear all the obstacles to win the rounds. So you'll get these obstacles like lasers and spikes and gravity, which will get in your way. So you don't need to, you need to just make sure that your vehicle is at a perfect speed with perfect angle, so you can pass all those obstacles with a finesse and clear out those rounds. So it's got fantastic and futuristic looking vehicles, and you can unlock those and compete in tasks. You can beat challenges, you can break records, and clear objectives. And you just need to play, unlock, get new vehicles, and clear out all the obstacles to win rounds and enjoy this game. So the controls in this game are pretty simple and precise. You just need to accelerate and tilt your bike in such a way that you pass each obstacle faster. You need to brake at a correct time, at a correct point, or a time that you avoid different sorts of traps which have been laid for you. You can jump to gain more traction and clear out levels faster. And your major focus is just to pass obstacles without crashing and to beat that level. So it is a fantastic and a simple game, which you just need to play and enjoy. So it is a fantastic game which you can try out and check it out. It is a futuristic game, and it is a fun game for you to play. We highly recommend this game, and it is, I think, available in both Google and Apple Play Store. The game has been given a 4.1 rating, which is a fantastic rating to have. So do check that out. These were all the top games that we had mentioned. We mentioned all these games in the comments, so you can go and check that out. And along with that, there are a few honorable mentions. These are fun little games which are also available, which come under two-wheeler racing. So one of these games is called Bike Up, which is by a company called Fun Generation Lab. You can go and check out this game, which is a smallish sort of a game where you master your bike riding skills to overcome obstacles and collect different sorts of treasure items, where you can select those treasure items to do some customization features and upgrades to play with your friends and family, and have like a bike team where you can ride together and enjoy this game together. So this is a fantastic little game to play when you're bored. It is a very easy game to play, so do check this out. It's got some fantastic little features that I'm gonna just mention. It's got like 101 levels, and it is fun and enjoyable game to play. It's got tons of upgrades. It's got fantastic customizations, beautiful levels, and you can play with your friends or play in a multiplayer mode. It's got every sort of mode, and you can play with global and local friends, and it has a leaderboard that keeps your score. It's the rating it's been given is 4.5. Of course, all the 4.5 games It's not easy to get 4.5 rating in the Play Store, so it is a fantastic game. Do check it out and tell us what you feel about it. And along with that, there is another game which is a simple little game called Mini Bikers. Now, Mini Bikers is like a crazy little racing game where you create your own stories, and you can change the racing rules and become a world beater in the game. So basically, it's like a unique competition where there are these little surprises that await you in turns. So you can use those surprises. There'll be a putter available in the track. You can use that putter to make your opponent skid along the track. So you've got like small weapons you can use to electrocute your opponents. So it's a very cheeky game where you can use these different sorts of weapons or surprises to against your competitors and win these races. It's got a lot of modes. It's got, I think, 3 modes. It's got a tournament mode, a season mode, and I think it's got a simple online tournament. I think it's got a weekly challenge mode where you can compete with other bikers in the championship and win different prizes. So it's got like 34 tracks where you can compete, and it has a similar tone which we've seen earlier in a game called Road Rash. I don't think you remember this game. A lot of you might not remember that game, but there was a game called Road Rash. So this game has a Road Rash sort of a feel where you use these things which were given to you against your competitors. You damage your competitor and win all the races. And it is a fantastic game. It is absolutely free, so do check it out. It is a smallish game, so it will be easier to learn and play. You just need to download and play. We'll mention the details of the game, and do check that out. And one more honorable mention we have to give is to the Trail Frontier series. Trail Frontier series, which has been there since long, is actually one of the most admired games in the Play Store, where you perform like insane stunts to battle riders in this award-winning game. It's a skill-based racing game where you do amazing stunts, and you ride your motorcycles on extremely tough and addictive tracks where you perform amazing stunts and win against other competitors. You get to you can race, you can explore, upgrade, and compete in this game. It has got some phenomenal features. It has got player versus player and multiple modes where you can play with other riders. It's got like 250 tracks available for you, 15 plus amazing bikes which are available, and you can actually collect those bikes and customize them in a garage which is available to you. Overall, this game is a fantastic little game. It is a award-winning game for sure, and do check this game out on the Google Play Store. I think it's available in the Apple Store as well. Do check it out. It is again a skill-based, stunt-based game, and I think once you start playing it, you'll enjoy it. Graphics wise, it's insane, and the gameplay is also pretty good. So it's been given, I think, 4.3 rating on the Play Store, which is fantastic. And cheers to the team which has made this game an award-winning game. So highly recommended game. Do check it out. So finally, this was the entire list of games that we recommend you play in the Play Store or in the Apple Store. So do check these games out. Tell us what you feel about these games, and if you have other games in mind, comment wherever you listen to the podcast from. It's available on all the platforms, all the audio platforms, and it will be available on YouTube. So wherever you might hear us, please follow, like, share, and subscribe. So with this, now we end our episode, and we'll meet you in the next episode, which will be race analysis and news. So till the next episode, I take your leave, and before I take your leave, we always say, ride safe, always wear protective gear, and ride everywhere. But after the pandemic gets over. So, with this important message, I, Saurabh, take your leave on behalf of the entire motorcycle team, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.